Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing an update video on the Camino today. We got our chrome all polished up for Dave over there, and he wants us to drop it off. So I got the chrome door handles, because the door handles that were on there were black, and some of this chrome's, original 1971 chrome, which it's in all right shape, but it could be better. So I'm gonna have him look at it and see what he thinks. And I gotta drop the clips off for the bed rails, windshield molding, stuff like that. But I figured I'd give you guys. He called and said that they did the cars in block work, so we're gonna see how the progress of that's coming along, and like I said, drop off the stuff he needs for that. And also, we're going to be doing an update video on the boys' car here. We did a little bit of work to it, and I didn't end up filming it because it was hot, humid. I'm trying to get it done for him in 2 weeks. He wants to go down to Port Huron to the cruise night that they have in our old hometown that they have every year. It's a big cruise and car show type deal. And my oldest son Cody, with the SS Camaro, he's been kind of egging him on and calling him out and stuff like that, which I think is comical. I don't think we're gonna have the rear end ready to go in, in that time frame, but you never know. So, but I wanted to give you guys just an update video today on the El Camino. See how it's coming along. It's not going to be a real long, stretched out video. Just see how it's coming. They got her in final primer. Man, they do excellent work here. Excellent work. All the door jambs are perfect. The gaps. They put a lot of time in it. This guy, Dave, he ain't even afraid to paint the hood like the last guy. He wouldn't even paint the hood because he was scared. Why they do that, I don't know, but I wouldn't recommend the last guy that did it to paint my lawnmower. Dave, #1 in my book. But yeah, it's in final primer. They got it blocked. Won't be long. I just dropped off the chrome. Beautiful. Falling in love with this car all over again, guys. Roof turned out beautiful. Look at that. Even the channels, the original channels, are all in great shape. Front edge, perfect. I wish I would have met Dave years ago and just had it done right to begin with, instead of wasting all that time and money and letting the last 3 idiots do it. But the Mrs. car is going to be beautiful. Big shout out to Kevin, Larry, all the guys, Dave, everybody over here at Dave's Collision for all the hard work and time and effort they put into her. Here's the chrome that we just dropped off for it. Awesome. Got an old rat rod slash army vehicle sitting there, guys. Looks like an old '79 or an '81 Trans Am. Alright guys, we went and checked on Mom since we were up in the area over there by Dave's Collision, and my niece's little Trailblazer here has a problem in the Walmart parking lot, leaking fluid or coolant. She asked if her uncle could come and check it out, so we made a pit stop here to kind of check her out and see if we can see any obvious problems with it. But we're going to get her back on the road. Mom finished up her chemo and radiation. Her last radiation was this morning. Chemo was last Thursday, so we're waiting on the doctor to hear back on the 24th to find out the status on that. But fingers crossed, everything went good with that. But all right, guys, I want to end the video here. I'm going to help my niece out to see if we can get her car over to the house. And big shout out to Dave, Larry, Rod, Kevin over there at Dave's Collision. Car looks excellent. Can't be more happy. The wife's stoked. It's going to be a nice car when it's done finally. It's cool. But anyways, guys, I want to thank everybody for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. All right. Bye-bye.